안녕하세요, this is Jia. Today we'll be making Korean fried chicken. There are a lot of versions of fried chicken in the world and in Korea. Today we'll be making a classic Korean fried chicken. Perfect fried chicken should have a crunchy exterior and to be flavorful and juicy inside. Let's get started. Here's my chicken. It's already washed and cut into big bite-sized pieces, and I want to pat them dry. Now we want to make a brine for the chicken. Here I have a few ingredients, and they're measured for the chicken that weighs 800 grams. This is 1 cup of potato starch and 1 cup of cake flour. Mix it well. Basically, we're going to make regular wet brine for the chicken, and for coating, this is dry coat. So we're going to mix it well. Okay, this is done. Now we want to mix everything in a bowl and then mix with the chicken. Let's start from salt. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. This is half teaspoon of ginger powder, and this is garlic powder. You may use minced garlic and black peppercorns. This is ground onion, about 1 tablespoon, and we're going to mix this with milk. About half cup of milk. Mix well. And let's combine this with chicken. And there's one more thing that we need to add in here. Flour and potato starch combo. Okay, we added 4 tablespoons of flour mixture to the brine. This brine tenderizes the chicken and gives a very nice flavor to it. We're going to put this in the fridge and let it sit for about 30 minutes. The chicken has been brined in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to let it stay in a room temperature for about 5 minutes. For the fried chicken, we'll be using thick pot. It retains the heat well and it stays at the temperature well. And I'm using canola oil today. You may use canola oil or vegetable oil that has high smoking point. So we're gonna heat the oil to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you fry it now, the temperature of the oil will drop and the chicken won't cook evenly. Coat the chicken with enough flour mixture and then shake off the excess flour. Just add 3 to 4 pieces at a time, and we'll cook them for about 5 minutes. You never overcrowd your pot, and don't touch until it's fried for about 2 minutes. Now I want to flip over the chicken. If you cook this in a high heat, it could burn outside and undercooked inside. If you touch the chicken before it hardens, the coat will come off and get messy. Once it's cooked, move the chicken to a wire rack. Do not move to a regular plate because that might make the chicken soggy. The excess oil is going to be drained. I think I need more flour. So 1 cup of potato starch and 1 more cup of flour goes in here. Okay. So in total, I'm using about 2 cups of each, the cake flour and potato starch. Mix well, and we're gonna toss the chicken. Okay, this is going to make a beautiful, crispy chicken. So this is the perfect temperature, and this is what should sound like. It's almost done. It looks very crispy and it smells wonderful. Let me introduce how Koreans enjoy our fried chicken. In Korea, fried chicken and beer is a set menu. We call it Chimaek, and I'll show you how to enjoy perfect Chimaek at home. The cup was in a freezer for the last 30 minutes. I like my beer cup in a freezer for at least 10 minutes, and it makes a very delicious beer. Let me taste the chicken first. Crispy outside, very thin and crispy, and inside it's juicy, tender, very flavorful. It's very nice. And beer. This is a perfect set menu. You should try this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.